Tired of the same old boardrooms and hotel halls? Picture this: 22 handcrafted tiny houses nestled along a scenic riverfront. And a vibe that makes every team feel like they've escaped the ordinary. It's not just about the setting, it's about what happens when people unplug. Whether you're hosting a leadership workshop, team offsite, or creative retreat, WeeCasa delivers over 20 uniquely styled tiny houses, riverfront activities, a beautiful gather space, perfect for groups, and walkable access to restaurants, music venues, and nature trails. Midweek bookings mean peaceful surroundings, flexible availability. So why settle for cookie-cutter conference centers? Give your team a story they'll actually want to tell. Come together at WeeCasa, where tiny homes create big moments. Don't wait, book your unforgettable retreat today.